Alright, section 6.3 grade 8 is multiplying proper fractions. So now we're not multiplying by a whole number, we're actually multiplying two fractions together. And for our first example, we're going to use something called paper folding. So in this first example, we're looking to figure out what 1/2 times 3/5 is. So we can take a rectangular piece of paper and fold it into fifths. So we look at the denominator, we've got fifths. So we fold it so that there's 5 unique sections. When you open it up, you can see the creases. And we can shade 3 of those. Then, in the other direction, we are dealing with a 2 in your denominator. So you're going to fold it in half the other way. And then you shade that half when you've opened it back up. So then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sections that are defined by the creases in your paper. We've shaded 3/5 in one direction and 1/2 in the other direction. So in total there are 10 equal rectangles. That's the 10 sections that I counted there. And the number of them that are shaded and have slanted lines. So we shaded one of them, and then we drew slanted lines for the other one. The ones that have both are just these 3. There's 2 that are slanted lines but no shading, and then there are 3 that are shaded but no slanted lines. So there are only 3 that have both the shading and the slanted lines. So there's 3 of those, which means once you've done that, your answer is actually 3/10. So 3 of the sections have both, and there are 10 pieces altogether. So that's actually how you do the answer. So you can use this paper folding technique every time. It will work. You fold in one direction the number on the bottom for one fraction, shade the number of pieces that are on the top, and then in the other direction you fold so that you've got this many pieces and you shade this many. And then the number that are both shaded and from each fold, then that's the number that's going to be the top of your answer, and the total number of pieces is going to be your bottom answer. So using paper folding, and you can draw the pictures out much like the example just did, rather than actually folding paper. Save a tree. Go ahead and give the show a go.